You may have heard that there is a deer disease going around. It's actually affecting a lot of areas in Kentucky, especially in the eastern part of the state. We talked to Kentucky Department of Fish and Wildlife Representative John Coffey about this, and he dispelled some myths about this deer disease.
Blue tongue and epizootic hemorrhagic disease are a virus. They are different strains of a similar virus. To explain it in maybe human terms, it's kind of like when we have different strains of the flu. So they are related. It is a normal cycle of nature. These diseases are present. We have outbreaks every 5 to 7 years. It's just a normal cycle. No reason to be alarmed. Hunting season will go on as planned. Obviously, every deer is not going to be reported, but it is no more than normally happens each 5 to 7 years. It affects, their overall function, and it can cause hemorrhaging, which is why it's called hemorrhagic disease. Basically, what these deer are doing is when you have times of drought, they go to water, and the disease gets spread by midges or gnats. And when we have more rain, the deer kind of spread out. They're not tied to the same water source, so it lessens the effect. As soon as the first frost hits, all these little bugs will not be out there, so it will be gone. Nothing that doesn't happen, and it's a normal process of nature.
Coffey said this is actually quite common and really not much to be alarmed with, even though there are large numbers reported, especially in eastern Kentucky. He says if you do notice any deer that seem confused or notice an abnormal smell from carcasses, to contact the Kentucky Department of Fish and Wildlife.
For WBON TV, I'm Marissa Hempel.